You can hear it echoing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a couple days. Oh no.
What? I didn't do anything.
I don't trust either of you.
Do you know if Ben's gonna be there?
Who's Ben?
What about Wendy? Or Candace? I got nothing. Fuck about it. Mike?
I think he wants to go.
I think so. I mean, it starts 15 minutes ago.
Okay.
And we have to, when we still have to go to Walmart.
Tonight we're going to a charity car show, and
Simon
by Katie.
Yeah, not hosted by Katie. It's actually hosted by these people on the screen.
It's not?
No, it's not.
I thought we were sponsored.
No, God no. Cam's got his Mustang. I've got this car.
because the Celica was hit 2 days ago.
And then Sean has the GTI anyways. That's all the cars that are
Sean
here
has
for
the
right
GTI,
now.
and there's this guy parked here.
Yeah,
we don't know who he is.
Yeah, some regular ass fucking traffic over here. All four of them.
And it wasn't supposed to rain all day, but now that there's supposed to be a car show, it's gonna pour.
Yes, it has to rain.
All right, well, let's go before it actually rains.
Before it does start to rain? I hope so.
I hope not.
Like I was saying earlier, guys, it is the first time I've been out to anything car related since the Celica's accident. Today's Saturday night. The Celica's accident was Wednesday afternoon, so it's been a couple days of, you know, dealing with the insurance company and police report and that sort of thing. At this point, I don't know what the future of the car is, or what like if it's gonna get totaled, if I'll buy it back, if it'll go, if I won't be able to buy it back, if I'll just get paid out. I don't know. So let's try and move past that for at least tonight and the rest of this video, and let's just try and have a good night with the guys. Double D's Donuts is hosting us tonight. New meat spot. So Ryan is the main organizer of this whole thing. So I hope this spot goes well for him. We're parking in the middle?
Yeah, prime spot, isn't it?
Yeah, I know it is.
Oh,
What's up?
that's a fucking Bonneville, bro. What's going on?
What's up, bud?
Not much, bro. How are you?
Good.
That's good. It's good.
How's it going, buddy?
Good, man. Good. How you doing, bro?
How you doing?
Good. Good. What's going on?
What's going on, dude?
What's going?
How many times did it take you to start this?
Once. On camera.
It's a sound.
That's a lie. For a while and talk a bit, but
Literally, just sounds exactly like sex. especially when you go downtown, and that's all you can hear, like
I don't know.
vibrating off the. Perfect.
It is pretty fucking gnarly. We had to come look at the other Pontiacs at the meet.
God, been here?
Yo, why is the fitment on this kind of tight?
This is yours? You drive it here? Yeah. Tires a bit low. Yeah, just a little bit. Just a tad. What engines are this one?
It's got the same as the Cavalier.
No, it's a 2.4. 2.4?
Fitment's kind of good.
yeah,
Yeah, it is.
yeah.
Well, so my entourage left because they were quite hungry. So now it's up to me to catch myself up in this ancient Pontiac. But Ryan put on a really solid meet, especially with the weather. Still a lot of cars came out, and I'm extremely happy for him that it went as well as it did. Left the meet now. Cam had Cam had dinner, Sean had a snack, Simon had a snack, I was there at McDonald's, and now I think the move is, well, I think we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with the rest of our night. I think that is the current move. I bet I can take you.
Yeah, you right.
Quick look at the airport, see if there's anything cool, and there looks like they're getting ready to build another hangar here. That's pretty cool. It's cool to see this airport get bigger over time. Like, I hope it never loses its small town airport charm, but it's so cool to see it growing too. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, shut the fuck up, dude. Well,
oh, he's in it. He's in it.
Write that off.
Oh no.
He's gonna do the thing. It shot fire! Yo!
Who would have thought?
Yo!
I feel like you got a good
It
one
shot
out of
fire. It shot some fire. Yeah.
that one, yeah.
Yeah, that was good. That's the first time I've seen it in like real light too. Great things.
Look at the headers how we both go at the same time, both shooting fire.
Yeah, both shooting fire. Yeah, because that has headers coming in the next couple weeks too.
Wait, what the fuck is this?
It's don't do that. Don't do that.
That's been like that.
It's been like that for years.
Oh, so I'll just finish the job.
No, it's working on it.
That's fucking. I'll just do like. I'll get on there.
No,
Done.
don't do that.
Finish.
No.
Bumper delete. First Bonneville with a bumper.
Do it again.
No, it's
Skip.
That's loud. I can hear the power steering pump. Wow, that's deep. It's a deep sound. It's not quiet. Oh my god, he's over there. I thought he was coming back.
No, it just stays loud the whole time.
The echo.
You can hear it echoing everywhere. You can hear the echo, absolutely everywhere.
The echo, it's so loud. Good looking car too. I love the look of that car.
Oh god, get me out of this thing, okay, oh, I haven't been around. Oh, it's nice and warm, I wonder why. Thanks for watching tonight's episode, guys. I hope I didn't seem too low energy on camera. I'm honestly still really bummed about the Toyotas, but I appreciate you all sticking with me. If you're watching the video to this point, and if you've watched all the videos, we'll find something to replace the Celica. We'll figure it out. We'll come back swinging, I know we will. The line I've been sticking to a lot is live to die another day. I mean, I'm, you know, sad, upset, pissed off, but I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out, and you guys will be the first to know about it. Thank you very much for watching. I love you guys, honestly, and I'll see you on the next episode of Scully Productions.